My plaintiffs are Donna Todd and Janet Garrison, and you are suing for bingo trip tickets, right?
That's correct.
You are suing to get reimbursed, Ms. Todd, for 2 tickets, and Ms. Garrison, you want a refund on your 1 ticket, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and Ms. Rawlinson, you are telling me that you don't owe them anything because they just chose not to go on the trip, right?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, and so tell me about what you know each other through bingo?
Well,
Yes, Your Honor.
I drive the bus in Buffalo. I live in Buffalo, and I drive the bus from Buffalo to Seneca Nation every day.
You had gone on bingo trips before together?
Well, only on my bus, and because she ride my bus, then I felt as though that I should ride hers. You know, just to be fair. You
That's
know?
nice, yeah.
So I gave her the money on a deposit on the 8th of August, and
How much was the bingo trip?
The bingo trip was $160.
Okay, and
And
what do
I
you get
gave-
for $160?
You get the
Transportation,
The bus?
admission, and the hotel room.
Okay, I asked her what she understood she was getting for $160.
You get the bus ride, you get the hotel room, and you get the admission to the bingo.
Okay, but you agree that that's what
That's
you got,
correct.
right?
Yes.
$160. Okay, why didn't you go on the trip?
Well, on the 7th of September, she said that the lady didn't get the bus and that they were going to rent vans. And I told her that I didn't want to go in a van because that was 5 hours of sitting up in the van.
Had she told you when you purchased the tickets that you'd be going on a bus?
Yes.
Did you say you were going to give them a bus?
If we got 22 people, Your Honor.
Oh,
Everybody
yes.
knew we had to get 22 to pay for the bus.
Everybody knew?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
And
Yeah.
did you
That's
tell her
the
that if they didn't get 22
No.
people, they would have to ride in a van?
We didn't know we were going to get a van. We thought we were going to get 22 people.
Okay.
As soon as I found out, I told everybody.
Did she tell you that it was going to be a bus only if 22 people
No.
No,
signed
Your
up?
Honor.
No.
No.
No,
She said,
and
we
I'm
go on
not
the bus.
lying.
She said,
No.
we go on the bus and bring a blanket and a pillow, you can relax, because I had surgery done on my shoulder and I have physical problems. And she said, you be comfortable. The night before, she said, we're not going on the bus, but we have 2 fans.
She called you the night before you were supposed to
I
leave?
saw the night before at bingo.
You told her the night before that it was
That's
not
when I
going to be
found
a
out.
bus.
There would not be a bus. That we would have vans.
But you
I
told her that the
promised-
night before.
That's when I found out, Your Honor, that we didn't have enough people because she got some cancellation. As soon as I found out, I told her.
But I also heard that Dolores was driving one of the vans and fell asleep twice
You shouldn't
while
listen to
driving the
yourself.
van. And that's
Dolores.
another reason why I didn't want to take the vans.
Dolores, were you driving the van with people in it and you fell asleep?
Your Honor, I had driven from Buffalo to West Virginia before that happened.
So
And
you were
then
exhausted.
I was exhausted.
Yeah. Well, you know what? If you're
And I
tired.
pulled over at that point. It was once I pulled over.
Yeah. Well, you know what? That's a huge responsibility.
Yes,
That's
it is.
Very.
I
you know,
agree.
and so you were concerned also because you didn't have
Exactly, because
professional bus drivers.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Now you turned it from a professional ride into a personal.
Yeah.
I don't want to go on a personal
No. That's
ride.
not the same. It's a major difference, I think, in the kind of trip that they were paying for, I have to tell you.
Donna was my friend. And I said, I'm sorry, we don't have a van. We don't have a bus, we have a van. Please come on and let's go. Do this for me. And even if she disagreed, I gave her the option to go the next month on a bus. I was just trying to keep peace. So she could have went this month on the bus.
Okay, you
All
know
she
what?
kept saying was, I'm suing, I'm suing.
I don't have the time to go this
doing
month.
nothing else.
Okay, you know what? I mean, she bought a ticket for a particular trip on a particular type of transportation, and she didn't get
But she's
that.
suing me. I didn't get the money.
Well,
I did what I was
gave-
supposed to do with the money. The money she gives to me to give to her to hold her seat.
I told Sylvia the day that she told me that I wasn't getting my $320 back, I said, I love you and the whole 9, but I'm taking you to court because I'm not giving nobody $320.
And I said, I'll see you there.
The flyer is right here with your name on it. You were in a partnership or in a venture to get people to go on this trip, so you are responsible,
But, Donna-
okay? You took her money. I think that you had a contract, an oral agreement that basically said, I'll provide you with a trip to play bingo on a bus for $160. That was the expectation. For that reason, I'm going to grant plaintiff's judgment in the amount of $480, $320 to Donna, $160 to Janet. Judgment for the plaintiffs,